train to final fill, every stage of bioprocessing demands performance and reliability. At AdvantaPure, we help you level up your process with high-quality, single-use assemblies and components, custom-engineered for every step in your unique process. Let's start at the beginning. Seed train and media buffer preparation, where cell growth begins and essential process fluids are prepared. Clean, consistent fluid transfer is critical at this early upstream stage. AdvantaPure supports early processing with tubing and bottle solutions built for clarity, chemical compatibility, and strength. From PET-G bottles to silicone and TPE tubing, our materials support fluid transfer, mixing, sampling, and storage. As cell culture expands, the process moves into harvest, where durability and performance take center stage. Harvest operations rely on tubing designed for accuracy and long service life. AdvantaPure offers proven pump tubing options, like APS-PG, along with silicone and TPE tubing for non-pump transfers, sampling, and connections. Next, we enter separation and purification, including TFF, chromatography, and viral filtration, steps that demand precision, consistency, and flexibility. These critical processes depend on tubing engineered for pressure, chemical compatibility, and durability. AdvantaPure's braid-reinforced APSH and APSH-DB tubing delivers strength and clarity where performance matters most. To further level up your process, AdvantaPure also offers overmolded manifolds that create stronger, cleaner, and more reliable connections, supporting closed, sterile, and scalable systems designed throughout purification. Our single-use assembly capabilities integrate seamlessly with fluid transfer systems, TFF systems, chromatography skids, and bottle or bag-based collection, customized to fit your process needs. Sterile filtration and pupset assemblies require dependable, validated components you can trust. Pair our wide selection of tubing with a broad range of pre-validated sterile filters, helping streamline validation and simplify system design. In the final steps, precision and sterility are critical. AdvantaPure pump tubing, including APS-PG, APS-PG Max, and AdvantaMatrix, delivers accurate and repeatable performance for final fill applications. For long-term storage, AdvantaPure offers cryo-compatible bottles, bags, and overmolded solutions designed for extreme cold and secure transport. Across every stage of the bioprocess, AdvantaPure provides the tubing, assemblies, and expertise needed to support efficiency, reliability, and performance. AdvantaPure, engineered solutions designed to move your bioprocess forward.